How to find who can message me settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can message me settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines here in the top corner and scroll. Here you will find settings and then just click privacy, and as you see here you can find it, who can message me. Just click on it and here you can make everyone can message you or only following each other, and you can disable it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.